birthday and sana lumaki kang may takot sa Diyos at maging mapagdasal at sana is maging good boy ka and strong. Yun lang. I love you. Mahal na mahal kita.
I would like to thank God because He gave you, ate, and daddy. Thank you for this wonderful family. Kayo ni ate mo yung dating pangarap ko lang pero andito na ngayon. We're not a perfect parents but we'll do anything for you to guide you and protect you. Sana lumaki kang may takot sa Diyos at pananampalataya and good health, pinaka-importante. And happiness. Ayun lang.
Gentlemen, please put your hands together for our birthday boy. Give it up for Achilles!
Salamat Panginoon sa buhay ni Achilles at sa kanyang mga magulang. Lord, we thank you and we declare, Lord, na itong araw na ito ay itong gabi ito ay maging punong-puno ng kaligayahan.
Inshallah, you will be a good boy. And inshallah, you will follow everything what your moms and dad wish for you.
A loving, kind, and strong boy. Sana mapalaki kita ng maayos. Salamat kita ng patayan.
Maraming salamat sa inyong lahat at nakisaya sa birthday ni Achilles at doon sa mga Old Rapid team, mga contractor ng DPWH dyan at ito sa mga Naga family at sa Naninisyon at sa Tico family at ex-Hatch. Salamat sa inyong lahat sa pagpunta ninyo rito. Thank you so much.